Oh my, here comes the beast incarnate, Brock Lesnar. He is ready to destroy Oba Femi tonight. It's time for real WrestleMania main event, according to Paul Heyman. Oba chants going on for Oba Femi. And now the ruler is here to conquer the beast. Will Oba Femi conquer the conqueror tonight? Will Oba Femi destroy the 1 in 21 in 1? Oh my. What a view. What a camera angle. It's time for the irresistible force versus an immovable object. Oba Femi is here to dominate. Fans are behind him. Fans are supporting him. The beast and the ruler. It's time to do it. First time ever. Maybe also the last time ever. Oba Femi slowly moving towards the beast incarnate. Everybody is chanting Oba, Oba, Oba for Oba Femi. The ruler. Will Oba Femi defeat Brock Lesnar, or he will also get conquered by the conqueror? Finally, Oba Femi, Brock Lesnar in the same ring. It's time for a big match, time for a big fight. It's a big fight feel. A true WrestleMania main event ruined by the bald fraud Triple H. Why are you here, Triple H? Let them fight. Everybody is chanting, let them fight. We wanted to see this fight, but Triple H came in between. He ruined the moment. Oba Femi is giving a warning to Brock Lesnar that tonight Triple H saved you. Next time nobody will not save you. Look at Brock Lesnar. He took the steel steps in his hand and now he just throws it. Brock Lesnar giving a message, a warning to Oba Femi and Triple H. Oh no. Oh no. What Brock Lesnar is doing. F5 to the innocent security guard. And now, finally, Lesnar and Femi. Femi sends Brock Lesnar inside the ring. And now, these two behemoths. Oh no. Oba Femi dominating Brock Lesnar. Will Oba Femi destroy Brock Lesnar like this at WrestleMania 2? That's the biggest question here. Referees and officials are here to separate these two monsters. Oh, Brock Lesnar jumps towards Oba Femi and started attacking him. Again, these referees and officials are... Oh no, this time Oba Femi. The war between the beast and the ruler has begun. A big time collision. Oh no, Brock Lesnar throws the chair on Oba Femi and now Oba Femi also throws towards Brock Lesnar. Triple H and Adam Pearce trying to control this situation. Trying to stop this chaos. And Brock Lesnar very angry. But he is ready to stop this. He is ready to wait till WrestleMania to destroy Obafemi the ruler, and Brock Lesnar went outside. But will Brock Lesnar stop from here? Oh no! Lesnar throws the steel steps inside the ring. What a juggernaut! What a beast Brock Lesnar is. Oh no! Obafemi very angry, and he gave a power bomb to the security guard. Why these two are beating the innocent security guards? They are not here to fight with them. Oh, this time there's nobody to stop these two. And now Lesnar with a kick to the midsection of Obafemi. Picks up Femi for an F5, but no. Obafemi with a clothesline sends Brock Lesnar outside. The ruler is feeling it. Obafemi is feeling it. And everybody is chanting for the ruler. Obafemi giving a message, a warning to Brock Lesnar that if you will step again in front of me, the result will be same. And now Jelly Roll with an elbow drop to Pat McAfee. Pat McAfee is out, and now Orton Rhodes single action undisputed championship WrestleMania 42 main event. Oh, Orton with a tackle takes out the American Nightmare. And now Orton Rhodes on the top rope fighting for the undisputed title. And Orton with the right hand. Oh, pass to the back of the American Nightmare. And now, oh, superplex by Randy Orton to Cody Rhodes from the top rope. Now Rhodes. Oh, kick out by Orton. And now an RKO by the American Nightmare. Kick out by the Viper. The Legend Killer is waiting for the movement, and he's getting the movement. Crossroads by Randy Orton to Cody Rhodes. Kick out by the American Nightmare. Cody with an RKO again to the Viper. Kick out by Randy Orton. The stolen finishers here in the main event of WrestleMania. And now the American Nightmare looks to end this match as early as possible. And now an RKO. Cody was looking for the Cody cutter, but it's an RKO instead and kicks out. And now Cody eats an RKO from Randy Orton. Out of nowhere the Viper strikes, but the referee is down. There is nobody to count for Randy freaking Orton. But here comes Pat McAfee. This Joker is here. Cover Pat. Count Pat. Kicks out. Cody kicks out. Randy Orton is screwed. And now he hits an RKO to Pat McAfee. Crossroads. What was the point of Randy Orton to join with Pat McAfee? Randy Orton lost the match, and now Logan Paul angry on ISHO Speed. One lucky punch to ISHO Speed. Speed is down. And now Logan Paul sends Speed outside. And now ISHO Speed is here to take the revenge from Logan Paul with the help of LA Knight. ISHO Speed from the top. Swing. Let's go. ISHO Splash by ISHO Speed to Logan Paul. What a moment. Do subscribe to DKB for more incredible wrestling action like this. Seth freaking Rollins is here to destroy and dominate. Paul Heyman, the Doraemon of WWE, getting beaten by The visionary, the revolutionary, Seth freaking Rollins. Seth Rollins wants to destroy and end the vision once and for all. And now Rollins. Oh, from behind the ring general. Gunther is here. And Gunther puts a sleeper hold on Seth Rollins. The visionary is trying to fight back, but Gunther is too powerful, too strong, too dominating to handle for Seth. Do subscribe to DKB YouTube channel.